Hello creative minds, welcome back to Style by Marvellgreg, and in today's project I'll be showing you how to make this simple cowl neck backless top just like you're seeing here in this video. This top is very easy to make and you can go about it with less than 1 yard and it will come out really beautiful. I'm going to show you the easiest method to go about this. If this is what you're interested in, let's get right into it. So I have my fabric here. This fabric is very light. It's a light crepe fabric and it is on fold. So I'm just going to show you the measurements I have. So what I have from this point to this other point is about 40 inches. Then for the length I have about 28 inches. So the wideness is 40 inches and the length is 28 inches. But if you have about 30-inch wideness and about 20 inches length, it's going to also come out nicely. So then I went ahead to cut out my band. So I have 4 bands here. So one of my band is 3 inches, 2 of my bands are 3 inches, and the length is about 29 inches by 3 inches for this band. So for this bigger one is the same length of about 27 inches, but the wideness is 7 inches. This bigger one is going to serve as the one I will use for the down part, but then again you can make use of any width or length of the band, totally depends on you. So now we are going to fold our fabric again, but we're going to fold the right side facing right side and notch the midpoint. So I've gone ahead to notch my midpoint and I'll open up like so, and I'll place my belt just like so. So I'll place it at the tip of one side. Just pay attention to how I'm placing it, and I'll place this other one as well and also pin down. Then the other bigger one, which is going to be for the downside, I'm going to place it at the point I notch. You remember I said you should notch where that's the midpoint of your fabric. So I'll place it like so, and I'll place the other one like so. So ensure that you're placing it on the right side of your fabric. So I'm placing it and ensure that it is inside, not outside, just the way I'm placing it. So next I'll just cover up my fabric like so, and I'll go ahead and stitch all the way around. So close up all the edges, and I'll leave about 2 inches at one point to turn over everything we've stitched. So I'll stitch everything and come back to show you. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna need to close up all the open side. I left just about 2 inches to be able to turn out the right side of our fabric, and our top is basically ready, guys. Like, it's so easy and it's so simple. So this is what it looks like, and you have yourself your cowl neck top. So I'll just go ahead and close up that 2 inches that I use in turning out our fabric. Then if you're on the busty side, you can go ahead and add an illusion bra. I have a video of how you can include an illusion bra to your top on this channel. You can go ahead and watch it, or you can also go ahead and attach like an elastic of about 4 yards and close up with your fabric and impute it at that point if you want to wear like a strapless bra on it. So this is what it looks like, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.